As the Christmas draws near, Jamaicans are getting into their Christmas spirit. And here are the songs that has been playing throughout the island every year. Boney M., Mary's Boy Child, Oh My Lord. The first Christmas single on the list, Boney M's smash hit Mary's Boy Child, Oh My Lord shifted 1.79 million copies after being released in 1978. Yellow Man, there may be palm trees and sandy beaches instead of Christmas trees and snowflakes, we wish you a reggae Christmas, Yellow Man is coming to town. Ardent Bright, Santa elves will lively up every Christmas room. Santa elves, oh Santa elves, he store the goods on rocking shelves. The single has shifted over 1 million streams since its release. Jacob Miller and Ray I, a reggae holiday classic from Inner Circle's Jacob Miller and DJ Ray I, Natty Christmas is the perfect soundtrack to ringing in an airy Christmas. And Eartha Kitt, Santa Baby is sung by Eartha Kitt in 1953. Decades later, in 2013, that version track peaked at number 18 on Billboard's Holiday 100 chart. Michigan and Smiley, sung Drummer Boy in the 1970s, it became one of Jamaica's most popular Christmas song, since its release. Carleen Davis, Little Drummer Boy, by reggae singer Carleen Davis, will fill your heart with glorious light, Lord I lift your name up high. John Holt, The Meaning of Christmas, he has voiced and penned so many of the country's classics that in a way, Holt has defined the island sound. Carleen Davis, Silent Night Reigns Triumphant, the singer sang the song and put her vocals to great use. Will send chills to everyone who listens. June Lodge, Joy to the World is a classic Christmas song, it will make the heart grow fonder with every play. Maxi Priest, Do You Hear What I Hear, is another classic Christmas song that Jamaicans love. Listen and you will see why. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.